Hello, my dear class 7ers. Hope all of you are fine and safe and enjoying your lockdown vacation. And at the same time, you may be studying. You are studying also. Okay, please study well, work hard. Whatever the assignment is given, please follow it and do it in time. Okay, now today we'll start the new chapter, heat and temperature. Now these are a very common word, heat and temperature. These are a very common word. Okay, when you say that a body is heated, okay, the temperature of the body rises, the temperature of the body falls. Okay, so these are the words which we use it commonly. Now actually this heat, when we come to the term heat, now heat is regarded, or it is the form of energy. Okay, now heat is a form of energy. Now why heat is known as the form of energy? Means energy, you know that it is the capacity to do work. Then heat is also doing some work. That is why heat is known as energy, or it is a form of energy. Okay, now how we say that heat can be considered as a form of energy? Because of heat, the natural heat, let us talk about the natural heat of the sun. Okay, the sun gives us heat and light. Okay, and the heat which has been given by the sun, okay, is used by the plants. The light and the heat given by the plants are used, by the sun, are used by the plants to prepare the food for the process of photosynthesis. Secondly, the heat which has been given by the sun is used to dry our clothes. The heat which has been given by the sun is used to cook your food, especially the solar devices. Okay, solar cooker are there, solar heaters are there. Okay, now all these devices, they work in the presence of heat energy. It doesn't run with electricity. That means it is eco-friendly. It is eco-friendly substances. Okay, it doesn't create any hamper towards the atmosphere, to the environment also. Okay, so this is all these devices, they runs with the heat energy which is given by the sun. So that means the heat which has been given by the sun are doing some work. Okay, they help to prepare the food for the plants. Okay, and it helps to dry your clothes, and also it is also very necessary. It is also very important for our body also, because the heat and the light which the sun gives, these are very much important source of vitamins. Okay, that means the vitamin D, we get a vitamin D from the sun, from the sunlight. So that means they are doing some work. So that is why heat is considered as energy. So this is the reason why heat is considered as energy. So the second point is the heat is a form of energy which flows from the hotter body to the colder body. And this heat flows from the hotter body towards the colder body. Again, you take one body is very hot, other body is cold. Okay, and these two bodies, hotter body and the colder body, when you bring in contact, when you bring the two bodies, hotter body as well as the colder body in contact, now the heat will flow from the hotter body towards the colder body. It flows. And after some time, the colder body will also start heating up. That means they receive the heat from the hotter body, and the colder body will also start heating up after some time. And this heating up of colder body is due to the flow of heat from the hotter body to the colder body. And this flow of heat keeps on taking place between the two bodies unless and until both the body will attain the same temperature. The hotter body always has got a higher temperature compared to that of lower body. Okay, and lower body has lower temperature, hotter body has higher temperature because of the heated body, because the body is heated up. So when the body is heated, the temperature will also be more. So now this heat will flow from the hotter body towards the colder body, and that flow of heat keeps on taking place unless and until both the body attains the same temperature. So therefore, we can say that heat is a form of energy which flows from the hotter body to the colder body due to the difference in temperature. Then next one is here, temperature. And temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness of the body. It is a degree of hotness and coldness of the body. So we can say the degree of hotness or coldness of the body, which means that a body having a lower temperature, a body has got a body which is cold has got a lower temperature. A body which is hot has got a higher temperature. So that means this temperature denotes the degree. Okay, it denotes the degree between the hotter body and the colder body. Hotter body has got a higher temperature and the colder body has got a lower temperature. Okay, so likewise we can say that temperature is the degree of hotness and the coldness of the body. Now let us come to the heat again. Now this heat energy will use some other forms of energy. Okay, when this heat energy will use some other forms of energy. Example I will give you. When you rub your hand, okay, especially during the winters, okay, during the frozen winter, your hands become very cold, and when you rub your hand, what will happen? Your hand becomes warm. That means how the hand is becoming warm is you rub your two hands, and when you rub your two hands here, the friction is produced between the two palm of your hand, and due to the friction, the heat is generated. That means the heat is generated due to the friction between the two bodies. Friction means when the two bodies comes in contact, when the two surfaces of the body comes in contact, and the friction is produced here, and that friction makes your hand or your palm to get heated up. Okay, similarly, when you strike a stone, okay, when you strike a stone, there also friction is produced. Okay, and striking the stone will get heated up, and therefore it will generate light energy from there. That means that to produce a heat, the friction is generated between the stone. Similarly, when a saw, okay, when a saw is used to cut a wood, after some time the saw gets heated up. Okay, there also the heat is generated, and that heat is generated in place of the other forms of energy. When the saw is in motion, okay, some mechanical energy is produced. That mechanical energy of the saw will be converted into heat energy. Similarly, when you rub your hand, friction is produced here, and some energy is produced when you rub your hand. Okay, so that energy is the mechanical energy. Now the mechanical energy from your hands will convert it into heat energy. Okay, similarly, two stones when you rub it, friction is produced here, and also rubbing two stones will produce some mechanical energy. Mechanical energy will be converted into heat energy, and so on. Okay, so in this case, we can find that when the heat is produced, some form of energy is utilized there. Again, another example I will give you. When you burn a candle, okay, it gives heat as well as light. Here, what happens here? Chemical energy which is stored in the candle will be converted into heat and light energy. Even in a electric bulb, okay, electrical energy will be converted into heat and light energy, because when the electricity passes through the wire, okay, the filament blows, the bulb blows, okay, and after some times the bulb gets heated up. You cannot hold the bulb. That means the bulb is giving both heat as well as the light energy, and this heat and light energy we are getting in terms of electrical energy. Okay, so the other example, then other is also there, that is let us take a fuel, coal, petrol, okay, diesel. Okay, here also the heat is generated, the engine gets heated up. Okay, and that engine is heated because of the chemical energy. The petrol, diesel, all this fuel contains chemical energy, and chemical energy will be converted into heat energy. So this way, when the heat is generated, okay, when the heat is generated, what will happen? The heat will utilize some other form of energy. Okay, so similarly, the SI unit, let us come to the SI units. SI unit is System International Unit. System International Unit of heat is Joule. Okay, but the commonly used unit of heat is calorie. Or the higher unit can be used, known as the kilocalorie. That is calorie and kilocalorie. CALORI, calorie, and other one is kilocalorie, kilocalorie. So these are the commonly used unit of heat, but the SI unit of heat is joule. Okay, and what is calorie? Okay, calorie is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water to 1 degree Celsius. So what does it mean is that you take 1 gram of water and you heat the water up to a temperature of 1 degree Celsius, that water gets heated. And that whatever the water which gets heated, that we call it as a calorie. So therefore, definition of calorie is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water to 1 degree Celsius. Okay, and there is a relation between the calorie and joule. Okay, joule is the SI unit, and calorie can also be used. Okay, the heat energy can also be expressed in the calorie. So the relation between the calorie and joule. So 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joule. This is the relation between the calorie and joule. 1 calorie is equals to 4.2 joule. Similarly, 1 kilocalorie, that means I can write it here 1 cal, 1 kilocalorie equals to 4200 joule. I can write it here equals to 4200 joule. So this is the relation between the calorie and kilocalorie in terms of heat. Okay. So now in the next class we will come to the next part, temperature.